What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is Boss Up with Dr. Wambui Gishige. I share valuable insights on business, entrepreneurship, and services that matter to you. So today we are diving into post-construction cleaning services. We'll talk about what it is, why it is important, how much it typically costs, and why you should consider starting this type of a business. Basically, whether you're a homeowner, a contractor, or looking to start this type of a cleaning business, this video is definitely for you. Make sure you stick till the end for some pro tips and some nice recommendations. And let's get started. So what is post-construction cleaning? Post-construction cleaning is basically cleaning that is done immediately after construction, a major construction, or just renovation of a house or a building. It is not your typical cleaning job because it involves removing dust, removing construction debris, paint splatters, and leftover materials to prepare the space for use. Think of it this way. A construction team builds the house, but a post-construction cleaning team makes it livable and spotless. Let's talk about the three main phases of post-construction cleaning. I know you didn't know there are phases, but they are there. Phase number one. The initial stage involves rough cleaning. This phase happens after a major construction is done. It will involve removing very large debris, sweeping the floors, and clearing out leftover construction materials. And then there is the second stage, which is detailed cleaning, or as we may call it, deep cleaning stage. Now this is the stage where a lot of attention to detail matters because every surface gets cleaned. This could be the windows, could be the floors, could be the walls, and all house fixtures, meaning it is the whole house being cleaned. You're washing every single part of that house, the windows, the walls, the floors, the fixtures, every single part of that house. So the team will tackle fine dust that can settle in hidden places like light fixtures, cabinets, or even air ventilators. The third and last stage is the final cleaning stage, which we call touch-up stage. So this final stage involves final touch-up cleaning and also, polishing. It's all about making sure that the space looks picture perfect before the owner starts moving in. And who needs post-construction cleaning services? You actually might be wondering who really needs these services. I mean, is it not the construction company that does all this type of work? No. Of course, the construction might help clear the big debris, stones and stuff, but the cleaning part, it has to involve a totally different person or company or team. So among the people who need this type of services are, or could be now your target customer if you're planning to start this business, homeowners who have just renovated their houses or they just constructed new houses for stays. Number two, commercial property developers or contractors finishing large projects. Number three, real estate agents preparing properties for sale. Lately, there are a lot of people who are in real estate and they're just trying to sell homes and they need to stage the house and it's just being built, so they will need to hire someone to clean before they can stage up the whole house. And the last one is offices after remodeling projects. Let's talk about the benefits of having post-construction cleaning. Number one, it will save time and effort. And of course, let's be honest, cleaning up post-construction dust is overwhelming. And of course, professionals have the equipment and the team to do this job efficiently for you. Number two, better indoor air quality. Construction, of course, leaves behind a lot of debris and dust, which of course can impact air quality. Proper cleaning will ensure healthy living and also a healthy working environment. Number three, it will protect your investment. A spotless home or property not only looks great, but helps preserve finishes like floors, countertops, and windows. And the last one is stress-free moving experience. Whether you're moving into a new home or opening a new business, a clean home means that you're able to move in or you're able to get in without the stress of having to deal with all the construction leftover messes. Let's talk about the cost of post-construction cleaning. Everyone wants to hear about numbers, not just talk. You want to know about the numbers. Of course, the price will mostly depend on factors such as the size of the property, the level of cleaning required, accessibility of the property, and of course, the location of the property. On average, prices will range from around probably 10, 20,000 all the way to could be 100,000 depending on the size of the building. And of course, if if you're looking to hire, it is always good to, ask for prices before to different cleaning companies so that you can compare their work and also the prices that fits within your budget. Now let's talk about tips if you're planning to start the post-construction cleaning type of a job. The first thing you need, if this is the type of a job that you want to start, is to invest in proper equipment. They could be vacuums, dusters, and also safety gear. Number 2, you have to learn about safe debris disposal methods. Number 3, learn how to market your services, and of course to contractors and to homeowners. Number 4, offer package deal to large projects. And there you have another business idea that you can start in 2025. And before you leave, let me know how you found my channel in the comment section, and also let me know if you're thinking of starting this type of a business or any other. Give me a suggestion in the comment section. I will appreciate a lot. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our future videos. And as I said, comment below if you have any questions or video requests. Until next time, stay clean and stay informed. Take care and goodbye.